We'll guide you through how to fix a white cursor in Google Docs. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying and it can make it harder for you to go and work, as I know some people go and place their mouse somewhere and like to go and see it and not go and lose it for a reference point. First of all, come to the bottom of your computer and you want to press on the Windows Start button like so. Now you want to go and find the option for settings and you can go and tap there, they'll go and open up. Next, you want to come over to the left and you want to go and find Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down and you need to go and find mouse. Scroll down here and find additional mouse settings. You then go and get this pop-up. What you need to do is go into pointer options at the top here and you want to go and unselect hide pointer while typing, press apply. Then you can go to the top here and you want to go and select pointers and you want to go and find text select, click on it and press browse in the bottom right. Go and find the option for beam and you can then click on these and see the preview and see a nice bold one. Then you can press open and you can then press apply and you can then go and press OK. Hopefully the problem's now solved.